Do you ever feel nervous ordering coffee in English? What if I told you that after this video, you'll do it confidently? By the end of this video, you'll learn a full dialogue to order drinks and snacks in any cafe smoothly.
Hi, could I get a cappuccino, please?
Of course, would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. Also, do you have any chocolate croissants today?
Yes, we do. One chocolate croissant coming right up. Would you like it warmed?
That would be great, thanks. How much is it in total?
That's $7.50. You can pay here or at the counter.
I'll pay by card.
Perfect. Here's your receipt. Enjoy your coffee and croissant.
Thank you so much. By the way, do you have a loyalty program?
Yes, you get a free drink after every 10 purchases. Would you like to sign up?
Definitely. That sounds great.
Here's your first stamp. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thanks for your help.
Now, let's review the new words and phrases. New words. Cappuccino, a coffee with milk foam. Distracted, unable to concentrate. Loyalty, being a regular customer. Warmed, heated. Purchase, to buy something. New phrases. Could I get? Polite way to order. Coming right up, phrase for I'll bring it soon. By the way, introduce extra info. Sounds great, expressing agreement. Slip your mind. Be forgotten. Great job listening. You learn new words. Listen again to remember more. See you next time. Please subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.